Have your cucumbers started to turn yellow too? The leaves are losing their color, the plant is drying up, and you already thought it was the end? Don't write them off yet, because today, we're revealing an incredible life-saving trick. Not everyone knows it, and those who do know mostly keep quiet. So listen carefully to the end, because this is not ordinary advice. Cucumbers become sensitive in August. Heat, humidity, diseases from the soil and air, everything bothers them. And the worst thing is when the leaves turn yellow overnight. Many then water even more, either spray with whatever they can, but the result, even worse. That's why today I'm sharing a secret used by experienced gardeners, which saves even the most critical plants. You won't believe what a simple, mild drink that you already have at home can do. Take 1 bag of chamomile tea and pour it over 1 liter of boiling water. When cool, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Spray cucumber leaves with this in the evening, necessarily from the bottom and top side. Repeat every 3rd day until the plants show signs of recovery. This combination not only calms the plant, it stops the spread of disease, strengthens the leaves, and restores the energy of the entire system. Sound like a fairy tale? It's not. It's tea for cucumbers. Write to me in the comments, have your cucumbers also started to turn yellow, yes or no? Share this video on social networks too. Thank you.